When that first cold snap sets in, chances are your shop will be replacing batteries in droves. But it's not just about changing out the battery from underneath the hood or out of the trunk. It's about addressing the entire vehicle and the modules on the vehicle, particularly the battery management system. So what should you do to address the vehicle? Well, first of all, look at the service information. Also, look at your supplier's catalog of the battery to understand which vehicles have resets and which do not. Once you open that hood, start looking at the battery. Simple vehicles, well, they have a battery cable that either goes to just the post on the starter or a ground on the vehicle. But more advanced vehicles, well, it's a lot bigger of a battery cable. Chances are that battery cable could have a module inside of it that determines the temperature of the battery and also the resistance across the battery. These are used by the battery management system to properly charge the battery and activate the alternator. So if you see these on a vehicle, make sure you're looking at the service information for the proper procedures to reset the battery management system so the new battery goes in and it's fully utilized and fully charged by the battery management system. So the next time you're replacing a battery, make sure you're doing the complete job by resetting the modules that help control the charging of the battery and the overall electrical system on the vehicle. This way, you're doing the complete job, and that customer is going to get the complete value out of the new battery. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.